How to remove watermark from your CapCut videos. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To remove watermark from your CapCut videos, open your CapCut app. Now open any CapCut project from which you want to remove watermark. So here let me open this project. Now here on top of the list you will find this option export. So on left hand side of it you will find the quality of video. Here it is 1080p. So you will find something similar to this. So tap on that. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. So here on middle of the screen you will find this option watermark. So tap on it and then you will see this page. So to remove watermark from your CapCut videos, tap on this hidden icon and then you will see this pop-up. So here on bottom of the screen you will find this option join pro. So tap on it and then you will see this page. So to completely remove watermark from CapCut videos, you have to take CapCut Pro subscription from now on. So select the plan that you want to take, either monthly or yearly, and then tap on purchase located on bottom of your screen. This is all you need to do to remove watermark from CapCut videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.